Okay, exercise 13.1. This sign represents that we cannot use calculator. Okay, so we have to solve all the problems without using calculator. So 1A, convert each of these percentages to a fraction in its simplest form. So 1A, 75%. 75% can be written as 75 by 100. Then we can divide numerator and denominator both by 25. So it will be 3 by 4. And that is the final answer. Number B says 12%. 12% can be written as 12 by 100. So if we want to divide both 1 by 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 25 is 100. Question number C says 6%. 6% means actually 6 by 100. If we want to divide both numerator and denominator by 2, then it will be 3 by 50. Question number D says 80%. 80% means actually 80 by 100. After dividing both numerator and denominator by 20, we'll get 4 by 5. Very simple one. Now, question number 2. 2A, 27%. Okay. Now, the question says convert each of these percentages to a decimal. So, 27% actually represent 27 by 100. So if we want to divide any number by 20, that means we have to put a point before 2 digits. So it will be 0.27. Okay. Number B says 86%. 86% means actually 86 by 100. Or you can write 0.86. Question number C says 3%. 3% means actually 3 by 100 or 0.03. Very simple one. Okay. Now, question number D. D says 8%. 8% actually means 8 by 100 or we can write 0.08. Number E, 150%. So it can be written as 150 by 100 or 1.50. Number F says 140%. 140% actually means 140 by 100. That means the decimal number will be 1.40. Okay. Now, G. G says 250%. 250% can be written as 250 by 100 or 2.50 because we are dividing by 20. So we have to put a point before 2 digit. 1, 2, 2 digit. Okay. Now, question number 8. Question number 8 says 174%. That is 174 by 100 or we can write 1.74. Now, I 2.7% means actually 2.7 by 100. Okay. Now, we need to put a point before 2 digit. We know that here point is given. So, it will go 2 digit on left side. So, it will be, this one is the first digit. 0 will be there. So, it will be 0.027. Okay. Number J, 3.6%. Similar way, we can write 3.6 by 100 or 0.036. Question number K, 12.8% can be written as 12.8 by 100 or 0.128. And the final question of this chapter, L, 17.3% can be written as 17.3 by 100 or 0.173.